Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWCards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. Getting ready to do a 3-box break of 2021 Panini Contenders football. This is 3-box break number 4 on eBay. It is Sunday, April the 10th. Or Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. Where am I? Anyway, Sunday, April the 10th. Here are our 3 boxes. Hobby boxes. Thanks to everybody for getting the break. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch, get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. There you go. All the packs are out. Move my cutter. All right, we'll open these packs and then go through the card. Oh, boy. It used to be. I remember when we started doing. I sound like an old person. Back in my day, back in 2014 and 15, it used to be a race to see how fast you could open a whole case for a break. We used to have one person opening packs, another person calling the hits. Those were the days. Boxes were under $150 a box. Oh, man. Matthew, you need a big hit. What teams do you have? Team or teams? Lynch Money says, let's go. Yeah. So we get the Tampa Bay Tom Brady's. Is that his catchphrase? Let's go. Surprised he hasn't trademarked that. TB12, let's go. And that Hurts commercial. See that about every 5 minutes, it feels like. Alex is coming up next with some, what do we got? Inception Baseball, some Contenders Optic Basketball, Bowman's Best, because Alex is the best. Pats, Fins, Steelers, Niners, and wow. All right, well, I hope you get a big hit, man. You got enough cards in there, enough teams. All right, here we go. Let's go. There's some round numbers action. Unless it's numbered. It's not. All right, first up, how about a Patrick Surtain II? Rookie auto for the Denver Broncos, Stephen E. Steven, congrats. That's coming to you. Nice hit there. Chain Movers, Kamara. MVP Contenders, Daniel Jones. Fumble Contenders, Daniel Jones. Marquise Colston Power Players. Bosa, Diggs, and Rodgers. All right, got a redemption. First pack got a redemption. Much better than points. It is. How about a Jalen Darden rookie ticket auto? Jalen Darden. Jalen 135. Winning ticket, Kyler Murray. That's just a cool insert there. Not number, doesn't look like. Gladiators, Tony Gonzalez. That guy was a stud, especially for fantasy football. Rookie of the Year contender, it is Javonte Williams. Baker Mayfield, look at that. Season ticket. Number to 199 going out to the Cleveland Browns. Cleveland is Todd. Baker. Might be an XFL player. Chain Movers. For the New York Jets, Elijah Vera Tucker. I don't know. I don't know if that's how you pronounce his name or not, but that's how I pronounce it. That's going to the Jets and Brent S. Brent, There you go. Rookie of the Year contender, Jamar Chase. Juju Smith-Schuster. Supernatural, Justin Fields. Rookie insert. That's nice. Legendary contenders, Ray Lewis. Power players, TJ Watt. Sage Surratt. Rookie ticket auto. Going out to the Lions. Detroit is Don C. Don, congrats. Round numbers. Devontae and Josh Jacobs. Mooney. Goff. Garoppolo, Chanel, Ryan, Gesicki, Higgins. Tannehill. Marcus May. Man, there's like spinning them around. How about an Elijah Molden going out to the Tennessee Titans? Tennessee, that is Jordan J. Chain Movers, Eckler. Winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Gladiators, Ben Roethlisberger. All right, there's box 1. On to box number 2. Cowboys love. Is Micah Parsons in this? I assume. He was all over. What was that product? Wild Card Illumination, man. They had like almost a 1 Micah Parsons auto per box. Sure seemed that way, even if it wasn't quite that much of a clip. All right, box 2. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ruggs. Gladiators, Jason Witten. No ink, but Cowboys insert. There's a Warren Moon, legendary contender. How about this? A little Kwity Paye die cut, number 22 out of 51. Going out to the Colts. Indianapolis is Jordan. Cool card. Congrats. Gronkowski, power players. Rookie of the Year contender, Nico Collins. There's a Zach Wilson Supernatural. And then a Josh Palmer on-card auto, rookie ticket auto for the Chargers, David M. Round numbers. Chalk movers, Christian McCaffrey. Justin Herbert, MVP contender. Amari Cooper. And how about a Travis Kelce season ticket, number to 199, going out to the Kansas City Chiefs. Jordan, congrats. That one's coming to you. Larry Johnson, power players. Winning ticket, Russell Wilson. Gladiators, Sean Merriman. Dude was a stud. And then how about a Mike Strachan? Indianapolis again, Jordan J. Rookie of the Year contender, it is Devontae Smith. DeAndre Hopkins, chain movers. Garrett Sanders. There's a Kyler Murray, MVP contenders. Cody Davis. How about a Christian Barmore going out to the New England Patriots? Matt, there you go. On the Barmore rookie ticket auto. Michael Strahan, power players. Kirk Cousins. Round numbers. Robinson. What was that? For the Cleveland Browns, how about a Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah playoff ticket, 46 out of 99. Very nice. Going out to Cleveland, Todd B. Nice numbered auto. Rookie of the Year contender, Kellen Mond. All right, last box. Good luck to everybody again. Thanks for getting in the break. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one touch, get it at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. One box to go. Hopefully we got some last box mojo for you. Packs are gone. Alex is up next with our MLB and NBA breaks. So I'll be handing off to him at the end of Contenders. All right. Last box. Good luck. Rookie of the Year contender, Rashad Bateman. Gladiators, it is Cam Chancellor. Amari Cooper. Herbert. Aguilar. I have an auto here for the Giants. It's Ellerson Smith, rookie ticket out of 35 out of 94 with that die cut action there. The Giants is Jordan. Another one for Jordan. MVP contender Russell Wilson. Dak. Eddie George power players. Mac Jones, Najee Harris. Oops, went back around. For the Rams, how about Bobby Brown, rookie ticket auto. Bobby B for the Rams. Rams is Dietmar. Congrats. Then we have a Supernatural Trey Lance. Brady. Kyle Pitts, Rookie of the Year contender. Chalk Movers, Dalvin Cook. For the Giants, Azeez Ojulari, rookie ticket auto. Again for the Giants. Another hit for Jordan J. Lamar Jackson, MVP contender. Joe Burrow. Rookie of the Year contender, Rashad Bateman. This one is numbered to 99. Going out to Baltimore and Scott C. Was that Tim Tebow playoff ticket? Still putting Tebow in product, man. That's been a minute. Mike Vrabel, power players. Robinson. Bo Jackson, legendary contenders. And for the Bears, it's a Khalil Herbert. Khalil Herbert for Chicago, Jordan J. Jordan has a ton of teams. Gladiators, Tom Brady. Rookie of the Year contender, Mac Jones. Jacobs, Barkley, Goff, Garoppolo. Chain Movers, Allen Robinson. Oh, Zach Wilson. Look at that. On-card rookie auto, Zach Wilson. Boom. Going out to the Jets. Brent S. Brent, congratulations. Beauty of a card with that on-card auto. Very nice. Congrats. Round numbers. Chris Jones, power players. MVP contender Carson Wentz. Psych. All right, guys, that does it for the break. Thanks to everybody for getting the break. We'll get those sorted and shipped out. Let me do a quick random for all those round numbers here. Let me pull that up here. Oops. First thing we're going to do is roll the dice to see how many times we're going to run the randomizer. The only thing we don't take here is snake eyes. 9 times. 9 times on that. Now, what we'll do is we'll just put in, those go top and bottom. Top, bottom. Put them in there twice since there's only 2 things to randomize. I like to get it nice and mixed around. 9 times, whatever finishes on top after the 9th time, we'll get the round number cards. Each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Go to the bottom on those. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much for getting the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. Hope you have a good night, great week. Stay safe. Peace.